Today we're going to bring a digital photo frame. Now this is perfect if you want to keep something in your house where it's going to give you memories of your past. This is perfect for those that want to store any pictures or have a reel just run through the actual frame. We're going to put it together and see how it works. So let's go ahead and do that. They give you the manual how to set it up, right? And the actual frame itself, right? And the power with it too. So this is a beautiful frame. I've seen them where they're just plain simple, but this actually is not too thick. It's very perfect. It's perfect. You could hang this, or it also has a kickstand. And the bottom, if you guys notice, there's actually so power, USB, and then a USB Type A, and then an input for your audio in here, and also the SD card. So not bad. And the power button goes in the back, the kickstands. So we're gonna put it together right now with a kickstand and see how it looks. All right, for the kickstand, it's very simple. All you gotta just lock it in there in place, and that's it. So it's just a square, and the footing goes there. So pretty much just rest it in there, and it's just one end that gets the footing in here, and that's pretty much it. So we're gonna put this in here. Power box that they give you for it so you can power the system. All right, when you get the frame, it might ask you to do updates. So we are going to do an update and then come back. All right, we are going to use the application. All right, so we're going to bring our phone, put the photo, and then we're going to go ahead and download the Google Play Store. So we're going to put our phone here, see if it goes in there, and there it is. It found the application. We're going to go into the link. Now here you can install it so you could transfer your videos from your Google phone or your Google Home. If you have a drive, you could transfer them in here automatically without using any space. So we're going to hit open, and it's going to ask you all this information. You might have to register, so follow the next steps. So when you're setting it up, it's going to be a code that you have to match it into your phone. So let's go ahead and do that. But I'm not going to show you the code, so I don't want to see pictures that you guys send to me. So let's go ahead and do that. So after we install the application, we're going to send something to the actual phone itself, to the actual system. We're going to send it over, and we're going to select one picture to send over to this system, and it's receiving it. All right, with the app itself, you're able to add many friends in the household to send pictures to the actual system. The system already has around 16 to 20 gigs of space, so you could send stuff in there. Right now, we're going to send a picture, for example, of some food. So let's go ahead and send it over. You're going to say send. And we don't want to send any captions. We're just going to say okay. I'm going to send it over to the system, send photo. And if you guys can notice, it's going to send it, enable, allow. And that's it. It send it directly to your frame set. And we could have that going. We could delete the photos. So I'm able to send a lot of photos to the system directly from my phone without having any interference or without even needing an SD card. But we also have an SD card in there, and we can play the movies or videos. It does videos, pictures, and so forth. So very simple to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.